The 2025 Ford Puma arrives with a bold evolution in design, technology, and efficiency, positioning itself as one of the most compelling compact SUVs in the market. Perfectly blending urban style with practicality, the new Puma offers a dynamic driving experience along with advanced connectivity features and a refreshed look that appeals to modern drivers. The exterior design of the 2025 Ford Puma features sharper lines, a wider stance, and a more prominent grille, giving it a sportier and more confident road presence. LED headlights and tail lights come standard across all trims, and new alloy wheel designs add to the visual appeal. For those seeking an even more athletic look, the ST line and ST models offer unique bumpers, a rear diffuser, and sporty accents. Under the hood, the 2025 Puma continues to offer Ford's efficient EcoBoost engines. The 1.0-liter EcoBoost mild hybrid MHEV is available in two power outputs, 125 PS and 155 PS, delivering a responsive yet fuel-efficient performance. A 7-speed automatic transmission is available for smoother driving in urban conditions. For enthusiasts, the Puma ST returns with a punchy 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine producing around 200 horsepower, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in under 7 seconds. The interior has received a significant upgrade with a new 12.8-inch digital instrument cluster and a larger 12-inch Sync 4 infotainment screen, both offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, along with over-the-air updates for the latest software improvements. Enhanced materials, a redesigned center console, and improved seat comfort create a more premium and user-friendly cabin. Practicality remains a strong point for the Puma. The flexible megabox storage system under the boot floor provides an additional 80 liters of space, making it easy to carry taller or bulkier items. The rear seats can also be folded down flat to expand the cargo area further, catering well to small families or active individuals. Safety has also been improved, with standard features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a new 360-degree camera system. The Puma is designed to keep both driver and passengers secure and confident on every journey. In terms of trim levels, the 2025 Puma is offered in titanium, ST Line, ST Line X, and the performance-focused ST variant. Each comes with its own unique styling cues and features, allowing buyers to choose a model that fits their lifestyle and budget. With its refreshed styling, smart technology, fuel-efficient engines, and practical features, the 2025 Ford Puma is more than ready to compete in the growing compact SUV segment. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, the new Puma offers a versatile and enjoyable driving experience that stands out in every way.